Diamond Achievers, twaendelea, tusonga mbele na ndoto zetu zatimia. Uza muziki wako kwa urahisi, biashara yako itakuzwa, utajijenga.
Diamond Achievers, tuimarisha muziki na biashara yako.
So,
I'm the cameraman of today.
Yeah.
The video producer.
Yes.
Courtesy of Diamond Achievers. So happy to be here in Guangzhou,
Yeah.
Egypt. I'm planning to start the new year in the belly of Boeing 777, heading to China, Guangzhou.
Oh, nice.
And I know it's an awesome experience.
Nice. Gonna be a...
This all is the courtesy of Diamond Achievers.
Wow.
We are so happy, so appreciative. And guys, let's meet in Guangzhou. We shall take more and more and more of such wonderful clips.
Wow, amazing.
Yes.
This is a nice place, as you can see.
Yes.
This is La Passenger Hotel.
Passenger Hotel.
Yeah, we thank God. It's been an awesome time here. Can you feel us?
On the machine.
Side your boy Moses. Tupatane pale China, Guangzhou, Jack Chan. Tunakuja huko. God bless you. See you again.
Diamond Achievers, twaendelea, tusonga mbele na ndoto zetu zatimia. Uza muziki wako kwa urahisi, biashara yako itakuzwa, utajijenga.
Diamond Achievers, tuimarisha muziki na biashara yako.
Diamond Achievers, twaendelea, tusonga mbele na ndoto zetu zatimia. Uza muziki wako kwa urahisi, biashara yako itakuzwa, utajijenga.
Diamond Achievers, tuimarisha muziki na biashara.
One of the director of Diamond Achievers. We are here in Guangzhou, China City. We have logged our winners here, and as you can see at my back, this is Canton Tower in Guangzhou City, and the place is so nice, so nice. Our members, Diamond Achievers, have enjoyed a lot. They have toured this area. They have done their video shooting here, and actually this is a very modern city in China. And as I am saying, this is Canton Tower, one of the largest and tallest building in the world. And this area, as you can see, as my cameraman can show you, this is a city that lights in the night. Very beautiful, awesome, gorgeous city. We have, see here whereby we have ships where people come to enjoy this city. Actually, it is a city that lights all the nights from 5:30 in the evening. As we are talking right now, the city is very, very cold. Actually, the weather is 9 degrees Celsius. Very, very cold, and I'm informed that it's yet to get colder. It might go up to 0 degrees. So this is the place to be. All my viewers, kindly I would ask you to join Diamond Achievers. If you are an entrepreneur, we have a lot of members here, and they have toured several areas. They have toured the leather market, electronics market. They have toured several areas. And as you can see from my car back, we have a train here that offers services, the transport services to Chinese citizens here. It's a wonderful place to be. Join us and we shall bring you here and you shall really enjoy tourism, entrepreneurship. Come and learn more about entrepreneurship. Come and meet international investors here, manufacturers and suppliers. You'll have an opportunity to talk to our members who have toured here, our winners, our season winners, and they shall tell you more what they have seen and whether their journey they can count blessings. Yeah, welcome.
Biashara yako itakuzwa, utajijenga.
Diamond Achievers, tuimarisha mziki na biashara yako.